Good noon to one and all. I, Sonali Tyagi, Assistant Dean Academics, CPJ College. I welcome you all to the CPJ National Moot Court Competition 2025 in collaboration with National Human Rights Commission. So today we are honoured with the presence of Shri R.S. Goswami sir, ex-chairman of Bar Council of Delhi. Sir, a very warm welcome to you.
Thank you, Salini.
Yeah. So sir, I would like to know how do such competition help in bridging the gap between theoretical legal education and the real world expertise?
Salini ji, first of all, I would like to thanks to all the management as well as the committee members and staff of the CPJ Law College. Time to time, the CPJ Law College organizes such type of the functions. Not from this year. Each year and every year I came here, and it was my privilege to come here as a guest of honor. And I want to thank what was the object of the CPJ Law College and the staff to give the progress, to give the attention of the student with the higher authorities time to time. So many times they have organized other functions like just a moot court. In this year also they are organizing a moot court competitions. The such type of the competitions give the knowledge of the student. And student, when they will appear in the courts after the completion of law graduation, I feel when I enrolled the law graduate of the CPJ Law College, I feel proud that they are capable to give the proper answer during the enrollment. Since 2018, I am the enrollment committee. I feel that the CPJ Law College, whatever progress is done by the CPJ Law College, I have never seen other colleges also. Therefore, I am very happy to come here and congratulate to the executives as well as the committee members and the staff who organizing such marvelous functions in the CPJ.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, do you think it is a good initiative on the part of CPJ College to have conducted this moot court competition?
Yes, Ali. This such type of I just 3 days back, I went to Ayodhya to inspect the 3 law colleges with the Honorable High Court Judges Retires and one member of the Bar Council. I found there was a building, but there was no student.
Okay.
I found there was a facilities, but there was no functions. There was no programs for the welfare of the student. Therefore, I have recommended the school should immediately closed and the license should be cancelled by the Bar Council of India. Means it, other hand, one side they are not doing the job, they are not giving the proper education to the student. Other hand, the CPJ Law College day by day organizing the such functions only for the welfare of the students.
Right,
I am proud to say that I will be a guest of honor in these programs.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, at the end, what message would you like to convey to our participants as they continue their legal journey?
Yes, I want to convey my good wishes, best wishes to the students who came from other states, other universities to participate in the moot court. Today they will not get any benefits, but after that when they will come in the profession, if they are having a command on the language and they will appear in the court, they will get maximum relief in the courts. If you are having a knowledge, if you are having the command of language, so it will be useful in whole life. This is a profession, is a very wide profession, and we after the completion of law graduation, everybody will say they are the officer of the court, but you are not having the knowledge, you have not gone through the contents, you have not get education properly. So how they will be right in the future? They can complete the law, they can enroll as advocate, but they cannot be succeeded in their life.
Right. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us and sharing your valuable expertise with us. Thank you, sir.